In project settings, conflicts arise from diverse sources. For instance, a team may clash over project prioritization, with one faction pushing for an aggressive timeline and another emphasizing thorough planning. Detecting conflicts early, like noticing tension in planning meetings or divergent interpretations of project goals, enables swift intervention to prevent escalation. Context plays a pivotal role in conflicts. Picture a project team grappling with tight deadlines and limited resources. Under such pressure, clashes could erupt due to stress, conflicting priorities, or misunderstandings about resource allocation. Understanding these contextual elements helps gauge the conflict's intensity and its impact on project delivery. It also illuminates triggers like time constraints or misaligned expectations fueling the dispute. Resolving conflicts involves diverse approaches. Open communication and mediation in a team where problem-solving approaches differ. Encouraging mediated open discussions acknowledges varying viewpoints, fostering common ground. Negotiation and compromise when team members clash over resource allocation. Negotiation may involve compromise. Both sides might adjust resource distribution to meet immediate project needs while aligning with long-term objectives. Collaborative problem-solving. Imagine conflicts arising from misunderstandings about project roles. Problem-solving sessions where team members clarify responsibilities and align goals foster cohesion. Escalation and arbitration. Persistent conflicts may require higher management or a neutral third party. Seeking arbitration provides unbiased perspective and ensures fair decision-making. Revisiting project plans and roles. Ambiguous project plans or unclear roles can trigger conflicts. Revisiting and clarifying these aspects aligns them with overall project objectives, curbing future conflicts. In project management, conflicts aren't hindrances but opportunities for growth. Are you seeking to elevate your business in today's digital world? At Gotocertify, we specialize in aligning your technology with your business goals, ensuring seamless integration and optimization. Based in London, we're experts in IT strategy, agile coaching, and stakeholder management, driving operational excellence with Lean Six Sigma and PMO implementation. Empower your workforce through tailored training programs. Witness substantial cost savings and efficiency gains. Partner with us to unlock your company's true potential. Contact Gotocertify today. Visit www.goto-certify.com or email info@goto-certify.com. Gotocertify, driving excellence in IT strategy, PMO implementation, and technology consultancy.